The working capital turnover ratio is given to be 5 times. Net sales are given to be rupees 10 lakhs. If the current liabilities are 3 lakh, you are required to calculate the value of current assets. So now students, working capital turnover ratio is given to us. So let us use that formula to calculate current assets. We know that working capital turnover ratio is equal to, as we had done, this is equal to net sales upon net working capital. Using the figures that are given in this question, working capital turnover ratio is given to be 5 times. So you can say that 5 is equal to, net sale is given to be 10 lakh divided by net working capital. Cross multiplying this, net working capital is equal to 10 lakh divided by 5. So we get an answer of rupees 2 lakhs. So students, what we have calculated through this ratio is that in this particular business, working capital is equal to rupees 2 lakhs. Now, let us use the formula for working capital. We know that working capital itself can be calculated as a difference of current assets and current liabilities. So, working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital, as we had just calculated, is rupees 2 lakh. This is equal to current assets minus current liabilities, and in this question the current liabilities are given to be rupees 3 lakh. Now shifting 3 lakh to this side, we get current assets is equal to 2 lakh plus 3 lakh. So the total value comes to rupees 5 lakh. So based on this information, the current assets are valued at rupees 5 lakh.